Hello children, welcome back. So in today's class we will be discuss on more rocks what we find in inside of our earth as we are discussing on our chapter in the previous chapter or sorry in the previous class we discussed about the primary rocks. The primary rock, that was the igneous rocks. Primary rock, that was the igneous rock or igneous rocks. How it formed the formula of that rocks and the examples of that type of rocks, and it is the second name of is primary rocks. So today we will discuss about the second type of rock is and what more are there. The second is sedimentary rocks. Second name is sedimentary rock. Now sedimentary rock is in Hindi we can say कायांतरित. कायांतरित. Sedimentary means कायांतरित rock. Now how it formed? First we have to discuss that how it formed. Now you can take example from this one. This is an element and a thing or an element. Now from the time goes on, years, many years, 100 years, then what happened? With the action of time and weather, it will break, crack, and disintegrate. ये टूटेगा, इसमें क्रैक होंगे, धीरे धीरे ये क्या करेगा? It will disintegrate. Now it is an integrate form. ये एक integrate form है. Now after time goes on, it will break. Then what happened? Particles of little one, this much particle will break from it and disintegrate this whole thing. Now after disintegrating by the action of weathering, like rain, like wind, like water from sun, all type of weathering action, the cause of this disintegrating, breaking, cracking, these all make small particles, small pieces or particles, small piece. After that, after breaking it and after making small particles and small pieces, then again the natural cause behind transporting it from one place to another place, and after that at the place of collection sediments. Which place? Sediments. That's why it named as a sedimentary rocks. In Hindi, as we for better understanding, ये ब्रेक होते हैं, क्रैक होते हैं, डिसइंटीग्रेट होता है. जैसे कोई भी एलिमेंट्स हो, कोई भी हो, कुछ भी ले लो, एनीथिंग. जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता है तो ये वो धीरे धीरे उसमें वो पुराना होता है एंड ओल्ड एंड गेटिंग ब्रेक, क्रैकिंग. उसके बाद में धीरे धीरे उसके छोटे छोटे पार्टिकल्स है वो हो जाते हैं. अब वो पार्टिकल्स एक जगह से, एक प्लेस से दूसरे प्लेस पे ट्रांसपोर्ट हो जाते हैं बाय विंड, बाय एयर, बाय वाटर, बाय आइस। दूसरी जगह पे जाके वो क्या करते हैं, कलेक्ट होते हैं। क्या करते हैं, कलेक्ट होते हैं। अब वहां पर वो कलेक्ट होते हैं, वहां पर वो कलेक्ट होने की जगह पर वहां कैसे हो जाते हैं, सेडिमेंट्स। वहां पर वो सेडिमेंट्स होते हैं, इसलिए इनको सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स कहा जाता है। ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग, these rocks contain not only minerals. Now the first rocks, the primary rocks only contain minerals, different type of minerals, compound and form a rock. But this one, these type of rocks contain not only minerals, they are containing minerals also. They are containing minerals. It means not that they are not containing any type of minerals. No, they are containing minerals because why these are forming from the another rocks, or particles of another rocks. So these containing minerals also, but with the minerals they contain plants and animal remains and fossils. Now with minerals they containing plants, animal remain and fossils. Now what is the meaning of that thing? अब यहाँ पर हम कह रहे थे कि अभी बात कर रहे थे कि वो एक जगह से दूसरी प्लेस पे जाके कलेक्ट हो जाते हैं। अब वहां पर कोई प्लांट है, उसके बीच में आया है, तो वो प्लांट्स भी वहां पर है। ओके, अब वो प्लांट्स उसी के बीच में दब गया है, अब वो प्लांट्स उसी रॉक्स का पार्ट हो गया है, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स का। एनिमल रिमेन्स है, कोई एनिमल की डेथ हो जाती है तो एनिमल भी उसमें बीच में रिमेन हो जाता, वो वहीं रह जाता है। फॉसिल्स है, फॉसिल्स भी ऐसे जो थिंग्स हो जाते हैं, जो ओल्ड हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद में वो कोई काम के नहीं रहते, तो वैसे पार्ट उसमें हो जाते हैं। अब इसकी एक स्पेशलिटी है, दैट वन स्पेशल थिंग इज वी फाउंड लेयर्स, मैनी लेयर्स इन दिस टाइप ऑफ रॉक्स, वी फाउंड मैनी लेयर्स। एग्जांपल, सैंडस्टोन, लाइमस्टोन, mudstone, these are the example of sedimentary rocks. Okay, so I think you do not have any confusion about sedimentary rocks and any question. This is the, you have to remember this one, that sedimentary rocks are made from another rocks. How? After time goes on, that rocks or elements break, crack, disintegrate by weathering action. In that, water, wind, all the cause behind that, and after that they become small particles or pieces, and they get transport from one place to another and collect at another place, and that's why called sediment. And they contain not only minerals but also plants, animals and fossils. Now I have a question for you, that which type of rocks have the plants and animal remains and fossils? You can answer that simply sedimentary rocks, not igneous rocks. Next one is metamorphic rocks. In this one, as the name is given here, metamorphic. Metamorphic means change form. Change form. Change form. Now, for better understanding, one thing is formed like this one. In the primary stage, this one, this is it. But next it becomes like this one, or maybe somehow it become like this one, somehow it become like this one. at the primary stage, this one initial stage, शुरुआत में, but after it formed somehow these stages. So these states or stages are called change form. So this type of rocks are called metamorphic. तो जो प्राइमरी स्टेज पे जो उसकी फॉर्म थी उसको चेंज हो गया, somehow it has been changed. So that changed form is known as the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are those which have changed their state from an earlier form. From an earlier form, they have changed their state. Not minerals and anything. They changed only state. Now, these rocks created with high temperature. Now, as we can assume that, how can we change a thing into another state or another form? We have to make something. Then what is the reason behind the changes? So reason behind the changes is temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure. So in this rock formation we need extremely high temperature and extremely high pressure. We can change form of rubber easily with the pressure of ourselves. रबर को हम इजीली प्रेशर कर सकते हैं और उसकी चेंज फॉर्म है वो चेंज कर सकते हैं. बट रॉक्स को चेंज करने के लिए वी नीड एक्सट्रीमली हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर, सो दैट चेंज द ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. ओके, दिस मच. मेटामॉर्फिक in simple word, change form. Okay, now if we talk about the change form, so from the primary stage to metamorphized rock, what were they in the initial and what were after? So limestone is a sedimentary. Limestone changed into marble. Limestone changed into marble. Shale or clay, it is also sedimentary. And changed into slate. Granite. Which type of granite is rock? Which type of rock? Igneous. Which type of? Igneous. Igneous change into gneiss. Sandstone. Sedimentary. Sandstone is sedimentary and change into quartzite. Coal is also sedimentary. Coal is also sedimentary. And changed into graphite. Coal changed into graphite. So these are the primary. ये शुरुआत के वो जो स्टेट है वो है. They are changing with the high temperature and pressure. These are the example of metamorphic rocks. These are the some sedimentary and some igneous. So this is it for today. We studied about two types of rocks, sedimentary and metamorphic. You have to note all points in your notebook. On the base of this one, we will ask some question in the homework and you have to send दैट होमवर्क ओनली, नॉट दिस वन। ये आपको नोटबुक में सारा लिखना है। लिखते वक्त वीडियो को पॉज कर सकते हो आप, उसके बाद में लिखना स्टार्ट कर दो। देन यू हैव टू आंसर ऑल दोज क्वेश्चंस वी आस्क्ड यू, वी विल आस्क यू। हम जो आपको क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे होमवर्क में, आपको सिर्फ उसका फोटो लेके एक हमें सेंड करना है। ओके